today's video, I'm so excited to finally get a chance to share the children's book that I illustrated for Colleen Pressprich. It is The Jesse Tree for Families. It is published by Our Sunday Visitor, and this is truly a labor of love for both Colleen and myself. This book has been years in the making. We had some delays, but we finally get to hold it and use it for this upcoming Advent season. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about what the Jesse Tree tradition is, show you how the book is laid out, and walk you through some ways you can make Jesse Tree ornaments using the designs I drew for the book. The simplest way to describe the Jesse Tree is that it's a family tree for Jesus. There are many versions of the Jesse Tree used by Catholics and Protestants alike to teach children about salvation history during Advent. The Jesse Tree uses symbols and Bible stories to trace the genealogy of Jesus from the very beginning, from creation to his birth. It helps us connect the Old Testament and the New Testament and understand the prophecies and promises that were fulfilled in Jesus. The book starts with Adam and Eve on December 1st and ends with baby Jesus on December 24th. Each day shares a story written by Colleen about a biblical figure, shows a picture of their corresponding ornament, and includes a note for parents section and conversation starters that you can use to discuss the passage with your family. The book explores men and women from the Old and New Testaments as well as the O antiphons. One of the coolest things about the way this book is designed is that there is a cardstock dust jacket that has all 24 ornaments printed on them, as well as some pages in the back of the book on the glossy interior paper. The idea is that you can use these ornaments to actively participate in this tradition at home, hanging each ornament on your tree one day at a time to prepare for Christmas. The cardstock is a nice thickness, and though it could be hole punched so that you could add a string or hook to hang it on your tree, I wanted to show you two simple ways you can make your ornaments more of an heirloom quality. For this project, the supplies I used were the Jesse Tree book ornament illustrations from the cover and the interior pages, some scissors, some wood round ornaments, photo frame ornaments, Mod Podge, paint, and a foam brush and some paint brushes. I found all of my ornaments at my local Hobby Lobby. At the time I filmed this, all of their Christmas decorations were half off, so I was able to get all of my supplies for less than $20 for both sets of ornaments. The wood bulb ornaments I used were $2.49 for a pack of 4, and the photo frame circle ornaments were $3.99 for a pack of 6. The easiest option, if you're not feeling particularly crafty, would be to get the photo frame ornaments because you can cut out the artwork, put it in the frame, and call it good. Each frame has a 3-inch opening, which easily fits the 3-inch artwork. For this example, I cut out the ornaments from the back pages of the book, trimmed the edges to fit the interior size of the frame, and reclosed the photo frame. I used different colors, but this would look great with each frame being the same color, like gold or black. The one downside of this option is the frame covers up part of the artwork on the borders, but it's a really simple option. The second option is done using a flat wood round ornament. I liked these bulb-shaped ornaments because it was slightly larger than the ornament designs, which would give it a nice border. For this example, I used the cardstock ornaments from the dust jacket cover. I started off by using a paintbrush to add some matte Mod Podge to the back of the ornament like a glue. I would then push against the ornament and press it flat. I found that if I just used my hands, the design would start to come up on the edges, so I stacked some heavy books on top of the ornament to help it dry flat. It only took about 5 to 10 minutes for the art to stick nice and flat to the ornaments. Then I would use my brush and add a thin coat of Mod Podge on top to further seal and protect the artwork. My Mod Podge was the matte version, but there are a bunch of different finishes like glossy and satin. You could also do this step with a craft foam brush to minimize brush strokes, but I honestly couldn't see my brush strokes unless I looked at the ornament super close. This method is great if you want to see the full artwork in its entirety. I'm truly excited to share this book with you and your families. Colleen and I worked really hard on this book, and for me as the artist, it helped me see the beautiful tapestry of our faith that God was weaving throughout the different stories of the Bible. The Jesse Tree is a wonderful tradition that can help your family grow in faith and anticipation of the Christmas season. If you decide to incorporate this beautiful tradition into your Advent celebrations, please share your experiences and thoughts with us in the comments below. Feel free to tag me on social media so that I can see your unique Jesse Tree ornaments. I want to remind you that you are loved. God loves you very much, and He loves your family very much. Thank you for following along, and I wish you a happy Advent.